back with my second adventure with Amy. Last time we went caving, and this time we are going to, I don't think I can pronounce the first word, but Speks Mill Mouth Waterfall, which currently is going to take an hour and about 50 minutes. So, let's go. So I think I've made it, so I'm just waiting now for Amy to arrive, but look at my view. I'm gonna have a walk in a minute and just see if she's arrived, but it's so nice. That's so cool. Go on, Amy, run. Frolic.
Look at those palm trees, damn!
We have made it. There's Amy. Alright, we've made it to the top of the waterfall. It's so pretty. What do you think of it, Amy?
It's gorgeous.
So gorgeous. But we're going to go down there because there's more waterfalls going down, so we're going to see if we can get a better view. Another waterfall. Here's our picnic spot where Amy is sat. Wow! This is so pretty. It burns your finger because of how cold it is. Yeah. Is yours tingling yet? Yeah. What do you call these again? We think these are the ones which have the cool swirly animals inside, fossils. I want to find one though. I want to find one that's open. I found this seashell and I thought it was an M&M, but it's a bright yellow shell. Yeah, can you help with me? That was such a cute trip. I just got back. It is now 7:12. So I feel like in good timing. Oh my god, Jamie's calling. Picked myself up at McDonald's, but that was such a wholesome day, and just driving back just then, it was such a nice sunset as well, so a really good day. But it's just really nice to see Amy, because I've not seen her in a while, but we've already got lots of plans for the future. Thanks for watching! Oh my god, that's fucking scary!